All right, now look at this lake, guys. Seems very unassuming. Just a little bitty spot right here. Look at it. What does it tell you? You can see that something pretty good size has been wearing away at that line. And then you come over here, right here, and you look. And if this will zoom in, come on, man, come up a little bit. There's a massive common snapping turtle right there. Oh, he moving, he seen that finger. He like, I can't zoom, guys, but there he is, right there. I'm sure if I put, here he come. He like dinner served. Y'all see him? Got a nice size head on him, boy.